Okay, guys, get ready to jump.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, now let's see if our hiccups are gone.
I don't hear anything.
Yeah, that means our hiccups are gone. Uh-oh. You guys still have the hiccups.
Yeah, because your hiccups are already gone.
Yep, and we gotta try something else to get rid of your hiccups.
Hey, I got an idea. Why don't we tap our feet to make our hiccups go away?
That will be perfect, Mabel. Let's do it.